So this will be one of many series that I will do. My name is Veronica Warner, and I'm your host. So I am a world traveler who has taken my children to several countries around the world, and I like to share that. I like to call these trips a supplementary education. So, on top of what is taught in the schools in the United States, especially in the state of Georgia, I decided that they will receive other education, real world experience. And I am thrilled to have you here with me. If you have trouble following me, which I might divert to several subjects at a time, brace yourself. It's okay to focus on more than one thing at a time. And I'm very excited about learning and teaching. And welcome to my world.